247 people worldwide have used the ancient Tiger Eye Pixiu money beast bracelet to unlock financial abundance and protect their wealth like rightward arrow attracting unexpected windfalls and lucky breaks with money. Rightward arrow protecting existing savings from financial disasters. Rightward arrow opening doors to high-paying opportunities that seem to appear from nowhere. Rightward arrow developing an unstoppable money magnetism that draws wealth effortlessly. Rightward arrow experiencing the confidence that comes from knowing you're financially protected. Now it's your turn to join thousands who are watching money flow into their lives with the power of the ancient money beast. Free shipping on this authentic Tiger Eye Pixiu money beast bracelet for a limited time. You're about to discover how the legendary money beast, carved from genuine tiger eye stone, has been the secret wealth weapon of Chinese royalty for over 1,000 years. If you've been struggling financially, or you're tired of watching money slip through your fingers just when you need it most, then this will be the most important letter you'll ever read. Because I'm about to reveal an ancient Chinese secret that has nothing to do with or any modern wealth building strategy you've heard before. Instead, this is about awakening a mystical creature that exists for one purpose: to hunt down money and bring it directly to you. Meet the Pixiu, the money beast that only eats gold. In ancient China, there lived a creature so powerful that the Jade Emperor himself kept one as his personal guardian, while other creatures ate meat or plants. The Pixiu only consumed gold, silver, and precious gems, which meant money could go in, but it could never come out, making it the ultimate symbol of wealth accumulation and protection. Why Chinese emperors never made financial decisions without their Pixiu. When the ancient Chinese discovered Tiger Eye stone, Tiger Eye's natural properties of clarity and decision-making, combined with the Pixiu's insatiable appetite for wealth, created the most powerful money magnet in existence. Chinese emperors would wear carved Tiger Eye Pixiu before attracting tribute from neighboring kingdoms. They called it feeding the money beast. Emperors who kept their Pixiu close experienced unexpected windfalls from forgotten sources, protection from financial disasters that ruined their enemies, an almost supernatural ability to spot profitable opportunities, respect and favorable treatment from wealthy merchants. The money beast chooses its owner. Here's what most people don't understand about Pixiu. When a Pixiu recognizes someone as worthy, it becomes their personal financial guardian, constantly hunting for money on their behalf, and attracting wealth opportunities that others completely miss. But it gets even stranger. People who wear authentic Tiger Eye Pixiu report experiences like, I suddenly had the urge to check my old investment account, and discovered $3,200 I'd completely forgotten about. Janet K. Within a week of wearing my Pixiu, my boss offered me a promotion I wasn't even applying for. Marcus T. I was about to sign a contract that would have cost me thousands, but something just felt wrong. Turns out the company went bankrupt a month later. Sarah L. The Tiger Eye advantage: see money opportunities others miss. The Tiger Eye gives you the clarity to recognize it. Tiger Eye has been called the stone of insight because it helps you see through financial scams and bad deals instantly. Trust your gut when money decisions feel off. Spot opportunities that others walk right past. Stay calm and focused during financial stress. Make confident decisions without second guessing. When you combine these two forces, you become an unstoppable money magnet. The Tiger Eye helps you recognize and capture it. Recent success stories from money beast owners. I've always been terrible with money, but within 3 weeks of wearing my Tiger Eye Pixiu, I negotiated a $8,000 raise at work. The words just came out of my mouth with total confidence. David R., California. My Pixiu must be working overtime. I won $500 on a scratch-off ticket, got a surprise tax refund of $1,200, and my side business brought in $2,300 last month, the best month ever. Maria S., Texas. I was about to invest $15,000 in a sure thing crypto project. But something about my Pixiu felt heavy that day. Turns out it was a complete scam. My money beast literally saved me from financial ruin. Kevin L., New York. The strangest thing happened. I was walking past a house with a for sale sign and just knew it was underpriced. Bought it for $180,000 and sold it 6 months later for $240,000. Pure profit. Jennifer M., Florida. Why your Pixiu must be carved from authentic tiger eye. Cheap plastic versions sold online have zero power. Even Pixiu carved from other stones lack the clarity enhancement of tiger eye. Your money beast must be carved from 100% authentic tiger eye because tiger eye amplifies the Pixiu's wealth hunting abilities. The natural Chato Yancy, shifting light bands, represents flowing wealth. Tiger eye's grounding properties keep you calm during financial decisions. The golden brown colors match the Pixiu's appetite for gold. Only authentic tiger eye creates the energetic resonance needed for financial attraction. Our ancient Tiger Eye Pixiu money beast bracelets are hand-carved from 100% authentic tiger eye stone. Individually blessed using traditional Chinese rituals. Crafted by artisans who've been making Pixiu for generations. Designed for daily wear with comfortable, durable construction. Available in limited quantities due to the quality of tiger eye required. Recent reviews from our wonderful members. The bracelet has quickly become my new favorite piece of jewelry. I wear it all the time and I feel so connected to my higher purpose when I do. It's like having a little reminder with me all the time that I am here for a reason and that I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. I never knew what my purpose was or what I was meant to do in life. After using the Tiger Eye Guidance Bracelet, everything became clear to me and I finally found my path. I have bought 2 of these for my family members to try them out. I'd been feeling like I was stuck in a rut and wasn't sure how to get out of it. But when I started wearing the Tiger Eye Guidance Bracelet, things started to change. I felt more clear-eyed and confident about my next steps. And within a few weeks, I was able to switch to a higher paying job that makes me happier. I'm so grateful and would recommend it to anyone who is feeling lost or stuck. I could feel the Tiger Eye Stone working with me, helping me to connect with my intuition and find the guidance I needed. I was finally able to make the decisions that were in alignment with my deepest desires. I made an important decision to leave my corporate job to start my own business. I'm so happy I made that decision and I know it wouldn't have been possible without the help of the Tiger Eye Guidance Bracelet. I was feeling really lost after my divorce and didn't know what my next steps should be. But after I started wearing the Tiger Eye Guidance Bracelet, I felt a sense of calm and clarity. I finally had the courage to download a dating app and go on my first date in years. And I'm so glad I did because I met the most amazing man who is now my fiancé. When I first got the Tiger Eye Guidance Bracelet, I wasn't sure if it would really help me. But after wearing it for a while, I started to notice a difference. My 9-to-5 job was starting to feel really stagnant and I was getting more and more interested in starting my own business. With the help of the bracelet, I was finally able to take the leap and quit my corporate job. And I've never looked back since. Step 1. Establish the bond. When you first receive your bracelet, hold it in your hands and set a clear financial intention. Your Pixiu needs to understand what kind of wealth you're seeking. Step 2. Daily activation. Each morning, touch your Pixiu and mentally feed it by visualizing golden light flowing into the carving. This keeps your money beast active and hunting. Step 3. Follow the signs. Pay attention to sudden urges, unexpected opportunities, or gut feelings about money. This is your Pixiu guiding you toward wealth. More peace and contentment. More financial opportunities. Greater protection from evil influences. More love and connection. Better health and wellness. What happens when your money beast awakens? Rightward arrow. Unexpected money appears from forgotten sources. Rightward arrow. People offer you financial opportunities out of nowhere. Rightward arrow. You instinctively avoid investments that would lose money. Rightward arrow. Your confidence around wealthy people increases dramatically. Rightward arrow. You start noticing profitable opportunities everywhere. Rightward arrow. Bad financial luck seems to bounce right off you. Rightward arrow. Money decisions become clear and obvious. Warning, your Pixiu will test you first. Before your money beast starts bringing you wealth, you might face a small financial challenge within the first week. This is the Pixiu ensuring you're serious about building wealth. Pass this test by staying calm and making wise decisions, and your money beast will reward you with opportunities that far exceed what you lost. Fail the test by making emotional money decisions, and your Pixiu may go dormant until you're ready to try again. This isn't just jewelry, it's a financial partnership. Special limited time offer. Normally, authentic hand-carved Tiger Eye Pixiu bracelets sell for $127 or more. But because we want to introduce more people to the power of the money beast, you can claim your ancient Tiger Eye Pixiu Money Beast bracelet today for just $49. And we only have 89 bracelets remaining in stock. Why this inventory is so limited? Creating authentic Tiger Eye Pixiu requires Grade A Tiger Eye stone, rare and expensive. Master carvers who know the traditional Pixiu proportions. Individual blessing rituals that take 3 days per bracelet. Quality control that rejects 40% of finished pieces. 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. Each bracelet takes nearly a week to complete. I'm so confident your Tiger Eye Pixiu will start attracting wealth that I'm giving you 60 full days to test it. Wear it. Follow the activation process. Pay attention to the opportunities that start appearing. If you don't experience noticeable improvements in your financial luck within 60 days, you'll be too busy counting your newfound wealth to even think about returns. Claim your money beast before it's too late. Click the button below to secure your ancient Tiger Eye Pixiu Money Beast bracelet before someone else claims the financial abundance that could have been yours. Free shipping. As of January 14, 2026, we have only 47 pieces left. If you are unable to complete the checkout, it is because we have sold out. Frequently asked questions. Does this bracelet really retail for $90? Yes, this retails for $90 on our ETSE store. Does this bracelet really have 900 positive reviews? Yes, we've been in this business for over 5 years and has many positive reviews. We ship from Tibet, so delivery is typically within 7 to 12 business days of placing your order. Do be patient with the delivery as we are usually swarmed with orders. This offer is available to USA, United Kingdom, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia residents only. Refund and exchange policy. Privacy. Contact US. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of Click Sales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue Suite 410 Boise, Idaho, 83709 USA and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in promotion of these products. Testimonials, case studies, and examples found on this page are results that have been forwarded to us by users of Tiger Eye Pixiu Money Beast bracelet products, and related products are not intended to represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Copyright 2025 The Sacred Oracle, all rights reserved.